if you have known, suppose if A has n elements, m elements, and B has n elements, okay, A has m elements, B has n elements, okay, A has m elements, B has n elements. The number of elements in A cross B is equal to mn formula. So you can check it by the example. If A has m elements, B has n elements, number of elements in A cross B is m into n. So mn. Okay, if A has m elements, B has n elements, the number of relations is equal to formula is 2 to the power of mn. 2 to the power of mn. These are two important topics, important formulas. 2 to the power of mn will be there. Some textbook 2 to the power of mn minus 1 will be there. But 2 to the power of mn is right. Minus 1 will be there only for non-empty relations. Non-empty relation means empty set is not counted as relation. Like suppose for example you want proof will not be there. If you want, I will give clarity with example. Do you want? No. Sure? So they ask like that. Suppose A is equal to you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose B is equal to you have 4, 5. Okay. Now consider this. If A has m elements, B has n elements, the number of A cross B will be m into n. Okay. And if A has m elements, B has n elements, the number of relations is 2 to the power of mn. Okay. Suppose this is the question. A is equal to this, B is equal to this. Now what is number of A here? Number of A is cardinal. Sometimes they use the word cardinal of A. So cardinal means what? Cardinal of this means number of elements. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And number of B is how much? 3. Okay. The number of A cross B will be how much? Number of A cross B will be 5 into 3, that is equal to 15. Okay. Number of relations will be how much? 2 to the power of 15. Okay. That's it. See, there are given two sets. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. B set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R is a relation, is defined that AB is equal to AB, such that means is saying that order pairs is lookalikes. That is A is equal to 2 times 2B. Then A is belongs to the first set, B is belongs to the second set. What is that relation? So what will be relation here? R is equal to, what is the relation? 1, 2, yeah, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Right. 10 is not there. Any other chances? Any other chances? Now tell me, is this is correct? Okay. 1, 2, 2, 4 you want to say. After that not. Is this pattern is correct? See, A is equal to what? Twice B. A is equal to twice B. Here is what? A is equal to twice B, na? So it should be what here? 2, 1 must be, right? Next what? 4, 2, right? Next? Hello, 6, 3 you cannot write. 6 is from A, 3 is from B. What there in that? It can be, na? Yeah. Next? 8, 4 can be? 8 year, 4 year. Possible. Next. Over. Done. This is relation. Right? In this relation, you wrote here relation. This is a relation, right? This is a relation. In this relation, what is there in first coordinates? Tell me. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is there here out second coordinate? 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose sometimes you get 1, 1, 1 also in some relations. So you can write 1 once only. Okay. So this relation is came now. In this relation, the first coordinates is called domain. This is called as domain. Domain of the relation is domain of R. Domain of R is equal to, we write as what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. This domain range is important. Okay. Then range of R is what? Range of R is equal to, can you tell me what is range of R? 1, 2, 3, 4. Range is 1, 2, 3, 4. Domain is this. Is it clear? Clear? There will be one more relation that is most important. One is inverse relation. Inverse relation. In this, based on this 2020, in September 1 paper they asked. See, R is a relation. When you say here R is a relation A comma B, such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Like this we will write. R is a relation in Cartesian form. So R inverse will be relation B comma A. Okay, reverse it becomes. A belongs to A is B belongs, sorry, A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Okay. Reverse it happens. But reverse happens. So B belongs to B only, but that set element, that set only, right? This set element will not be changed. Okay, only set, that will be shift. For example, I'll say like here, this is a relation. This is a relation. What is the inverse relation? Inverse relation will be what you get. You will get order interchanging the coordinates. What you get here? 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 8. This is R inverse. So if I write in this way, I get what here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I get what? 2, 4, 6, 8. So this way. Here what happening here? 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4. Here is 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. If I suppose this is A to B, then this is B to A. This is A to B, then this becomes B to A. If R is a relation from set A to set B, then R inverse will be the relation set B to A. Okay. Now, in this domain, what is the domain of this one? Now, domain of R inverse. Related to domain of R inverse they asked. We will do tomorrow questions. So, domain of R inverse will be what? Domain of R inverse. What is domain of R inverse? First set elements. First coordinate elements are domain. Okay. First coordinates are domain. Second coordinates are range. So, first coordinates are what? 1, 2, 3, 4. And second coordinate means range. Range of R inverse will be what here? 2, 4, 6, 8. What you understand here? Domain of R is equal to range of R inverse. Right? Domain of R inverse equal to range of R. Correct? Understood point? What is the point? Domain of R is equal to range of R inverse. Okay, range of R is equal to domain of R inverse, right? Okay, domain range is, this is the concept of domain and range. Is it okay? Note down.